Hello guys, today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how to use the portrait mode split screen. Let me quickly put my tablet portraitly, like this. Okay. So what we've got here is our tablet, as you can see. And the first thing you need to do is to open the application. The first application that should and that supports the split screen. I know that this is TikTok, so let me open TikTok, and I need to now do something like this to open the all apps. Now we need to hold our finger on this separate one application and tap this button, middle button. Now we need to select the second application, and it can be Spotify, for example. Here, next, start. As you can see, it works. In the video, we do have video plus notes, so let me show you how this combo works. But now let me delete it all here. Camera, while using the app, here, notes, here, and now. Two applications. The first is camera, which as you can see is locked, and notes, which aren't locked. So, the moral is that we can't perform videos with this. And yeah, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.